Hi everyone, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At ito na nga, post ni Barbie Fortesa, yung tweet niya, "Good morning, happy weekend, please watch P77, it's still showing in cinemas nationwide." At nag-tweet naman si Maris Racal ng support. At napakataas ng engagement dun guys, 209,000. At nag-thank you naman si Barbie Fortesa sa another tweet. At next ay post ng GMA Network, hashtag Barda magkasama sa bagong station ID ng GMA. Napanood nyo na ba? Panoorin si na Barbie Fortesa, David Licauco sa bagong station ID ng GMA. Ayun na, the very cute Barbie Fortesa and David Licauco. At yan. Picture perfect pa rin sila, no? In fairness. Ay, naku, sana lang. Grabe. Anyway, ayan, more pictures. At ito yung video. Ay, nice. Nagbeso si Barbie Fortesa at saka si Queen Marian Rivera.
Patayin na po sa live! Patayin na po!
Ay na nga, sweet moments nila Barbie at saka ni David sa station ID.
Here lang po yung mga markers natin.
At after nga na station ID shoot na yan, ayun na nakita sa Wildflower si David Licauco at saka si Dustin. At nakita rin si Barbie Fortesa na mukhang naninermon. Charot. Ayun na nga, napakaseryoso ni Dustin at saka ni David ng day na yun. At next ay Barbie in custom Aaron Quitoles style by genre. Ayan na nga, napaka-pretty si Miss Barbie Fortesa in her polka dot stockings at red dress. At yan post ni JC Alcantara sa kanyang TikTok, Teo and Luna may masquerade date Barbie Fortesa, GMA Gala. At yan na nga, may pag-twirl si JC at saka si Barbie. At yan na sa GMA Gala. Diba? Pagi din sila, no? Ang cute. At nag-comment nga si Acel Nacedo, JC, paano yung kilig? At nag-reply naman si JC ng 1,000% po. Haha! Ay, wow! At next ay post ng stylish Barbie Fortesa is a vision in custom Aaron Montoya at GMA Gala 2025. Let's watch this. Ay na nga, Barbie Fortesa in her glossy latex red dress. Ay na nga, parang kay Catwoman. O, diba? Ang maganda niya ring bag at naka-belt pa with her red nails. Ayan, the pretty cute Miss Barbie Fortesa. Ayan. Ito ay story ng Avignon Clinic. Delicate yet daring, Barbie Fortesa light up the night with a youthful elegance look that whispered high fashion. At next post ni Miss Tony Aviles sa Facebook, Barbie Fortesa for GMA Gala 2025. At yun nga, nilagyan siya ng mata. At yan, foundation. Ayan. Napaka-cute pa rin ni Barbie, di ba? Kahit na hindi pa buo yung makeup niya. At next sa interview kay Barbie Fortesa, Avignon is all about confidence to shine. How are you shining differently this year? Let's watch this.
Hi everyone, I'm Barbie Fortesa, a proud ambassador of Avignon Clinic. And what makes me shine tonight is that it's my 4th year of shining on the red carpet solo. The one treatment that makes me shine that is done at Avignon is the Silk Peel facial. It's my favorite facial. This time, it's Avignon.
Ayan, more of Barbie Fortesa flexing her bag. Ayan, napaka-cute. At may pa-flying kiss pa. At next naman ay post ng Jayco TV, Barbie Fortesa super bango niya as in, parang naligo ng perfume daw. At next I post ng wheninmanila.com, as Barbie Forteza prepared to walk the red carpet, she used hand gestures to ask the media if they have already eaten dinner. So sweet. Grabe, tingnan nyo naman, napaka-thoughtful ni Barbie sa media, di ba? Tinanong niya pa kung kumain na sila. At next is post by Oski Rucabar, Jameson Blake, taga-bit-bit ng clutch ni Barbie Forteza.
Bye. Thank you for coming with us.
Message tayo. Message tayo. Bye-bye. Up with the queen of the beauty empire.
Hello, Miss Garlic. Nice to see you.
Of course,
My
representing
seatmate.
representing the beauty empire. We love.
So ayun na nga, beauty empire, si Sam, si Miss Garlic, si Kailin, si Barbie, si Miss Nessa, si David, at si Miss Rufa Gutierrez. Napakatangkad ni Miss Rufa, no? Grabe.
The view yellow dress, Carla Abellana. You're amazing. And of course, the Shari De Jesus of the beauty empire. Killing it.
Beauty Empire.
Beauty empire. Slay. Slay. Happy birthday, Darren.
Thank you.
Slay again.
Thanks, guys.
Hi, hello po.
Hey, love you.
And of course, the king.
The duatlon guy.
The Duato.
And lastly, I post ng Avante. Let's watch this.
Barbie Forteza at kay Jameson. Siyempre, may tinext tayong close, hindi kay Barbie ha. Close doon sa part naman ni Jameson ha. Yes tita, sila na po, sabi.
Hindi talaga.
Hala, totoo ba yan? Ba't iba yung mga sinasabi sa mga interview? Sa bagay yung last interview parang July 20 pa, no? So that's 10 days ago. So
Di ba may sinasabi ka
Pero ayaw natin pangunahan na, may tinanungan lang tayo.
Kaya kung yung ganyang close kay Jameson, kaya lang yan, dito yung unang narinig sa Marisol. Naku,
According to our source.
Na malapit kay Jameson. Diyos ko, magagalit ang mga barda kay Jameson.
Sorry po meron akong tinanungan na.
well, iba yan doon sa sinabi ng source namin. Yung sinabi nga ng source namin ay fan service lang to. So, we're still waiting for updates, no? Baka may mga bagong updates. But as of the moment, we're sticking with our source. Pero kung sakali man, isa lang yung napatunayan nitong sa Avante na wala nga relasyon si Barbie at saka si David Licauco. Kasi ang sagwa nga naman kung si Barbie nakikipag-holding hands kay Jameson Blake tapos after nun makikipaglandian naman siya kay David Licauco, diba? Parang medyo kalokohan naman yun. Kumbaga parang merong split personality si Barbie, yung secret date niya at secret lover ay si David, tapos in front of the camera si Jameson Blake naman. Ganun ba yung pinapalitaw nila nila Pikwa, di ba? Ginawang sobrang landi si Barbie. Lalo na binababa yung image ni Barbie sa mga pinapakalat na lang hindi totoong balita. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates. See you on my next vlog. Bye!